Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 14.4, last exercise in statistics. First problem. For the following data, see the data, given data, daily income, number of workers. The following data, this data is distribution of daily wages. Distribution of daily wages of 50 workers. Of a factory. Okay. So daily income is from 100 to 120. Number of workers 12. 120 to 140 rupees are getting by 14 workers. 14 members are getting 120 rupees to 140 rupees. Next to 140 to 160 rupees 8 members. 140 rupees to 160 rupees getting by only 8 workers. And 160 rupees to 180 rupees getting by only 6 workers. 180 to 200 rupees are getting by 10 workers. Now we have to convert the distribution into less than type cumulative frequency and draw its OG curve. Convert the distribution into cumulative frequency. And draw the OG curve. OG curve is nothing but less than type or more than type curve. Okay, less than type curve also known as OG curve, more than type also known as OG curve. How to draw OG curve? By taking upper limits of the class interval and by taking less than type cumulative frequency, we can draw the less than type OG curve. For the more than type OG curve, we should take lower limits of the intervals, and more than type cumulative frequency we have to identify. Then take the lower limits on x-axis, frequency, and more than type frequency and y-axis. We can draw the graph. That is called OG curve. That's all. Okay. So now I am going to draw the OG curve, which is less than type. Right. So by converting these intervals into cumulative frequency, less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type cumulative frequency. This is less than cumulative frequency. Okay. Let me write the given question again here in the solution. Daily income here. Daily income in rupees. Next here, number of workers. Number of workers is the frequency. So income is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Okay, so this is daily income and number of workers. This is the given question. We have to convert this into less than type cumulative frequency. See here, from 100 to 120. So this is the question. I'm converting this table into less than type cumulative frequency table. Okay, I'm converting this table into less than type cumulative frequency table. So here I am converting less than type cumulative frequency table. This is less than type cumulative frequency table. Okay, here I will draw. First column, daily income. Daily income. Right? Here cumulative frequency. So frequency is converted into cumulative frequency and daily income. Here intervals are there, no? For the less than that cumulative frequency, we should take the upper limits. That means here 100 to 120, 100 rupees to 120 rupees are getting by 12 workers. That means less than, we can write here less than, in place of that you can write less than 120. 100 to 120 means less than, automatically less than 120. Less than 120 rupees. Less than 120 rupees. How many workers are getting? 12 workers. Okay, it is correct. First one correct. Now second one, to take upper limit, we have to write here less than 140 rupees. Less than 140 rupees, how many workers are getting? From 100 to 120 also less than 140. 120, 140 also less than 140. So when you are writing less than 140, you have to take 12. Why? Because it is also less than 1. 12 members also getting less than 140. And 14 members also getting less than 140. So we should add these two. 12 plus 14. That is 26. Okay, so from frequency to cumulative frequency, we have to convert it. Okay. So by adding this, you will get 26. Next. For the third interval, less than 160. Less than 160 means 12 plus 14 plus 8 also. Already 12 plus 14 we got 26. For 26 you have to add 8. So here I am adding 12 plus 14 plus 8. That is 26 plus 8. How much? 34. Okay, understood. Next, last one, this one, less than 180. Less than 180. So how many workers are getting less than 180? 12 members also, 14 members also, 8 also, 6 also are getting less than 180 rupees. So we should add all these. That means by adding these three we are getting 34. 34 plus this 6 members also. 36 plus 6, 40 members. Last one, less than 200. Less than 200 means adding all this we got 40 workers plus 10 workers, total 50 workers. Now I got less than type cumulative frequency table. Now using this table we can draw the less than type curve, which is called OJ curve. To draw the OJ curve, we should take x-axis, y-axis, and x-axis we should take the upper limits. So 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. On x-axis we should take upper limits. Okay. So you can keep sign like this here. So this distance not equal to this length will be equal. So 1 centimeter equal to how many units? 1 unit equal to, you are taking 20 centimeters on x-axis. So scale on x-axis. Scale, here write the scale. Scale x-axis. 1 unit is equal to 20 centimeters. 1 unit equal to 20 centimeters or 20 rupees. Here first one 120, next 140, next 160, 180. Okay, 20 centimeters. 1 unit equal to 20 parts. We are dividing as 20 parts. In y-axis up to 50, no? So in y-axis scale I am taking as 1 unit equal to 10 centimeters. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, you keep the sign like this. Why? Because this is not considerable. After 120 we are considering as 20, 20, 20. Okay, right. Now we should draw the graph. For 120, 12. 12 means for 120, 12 means just above the 10. So here we can keep the point. By the graph paper you can get the exact graph. So 140. For 140, 26. 140, 26 means here, nearly this point. Here I am taking 140. For 160, 34. So 34. Here I am taking 34. 34. 160, 34. 34. Next for 180, 40. 40, 180. This is 40 and this is 180. So here. Next 250. 250 here. So by joining this you will get the OJ curve. This is called OJ curve. Or less than type. Less than type curve. That's all. This is the procedure, right? So sometimes he will give directly this table in the question. That time directly you can take on x-axis upper limits and lower on y-axis you can take cumulative frequency. Directly you can draw the graph. And if you have the intervals, you convert into less than type. If we asking more than type, you have to convert into more than type. Okay. One more example problem. One more problem. Problem number 3. Okay. First one, second one homework. Problem number 3. The following table gives production per hectare. The following table gives. That following table gives production yield. Production yield per hectare of wheat. Per hectare of wheat. Hectare of wheat of 100 farmers of a village. 100 farmers of a village. Farmers of a village. Farmers of a village. Here production yield in kilogram per hectare. kg per hectare. Number of farmers here. Number of farmers. 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 50 to 55 to next 8, next to 12, next to 24, next to 38, next to 75 to 80. 60. Change the distribution to the more than type distribution and draw the OJ curve. Convert into convert into more than type. More than type cumulative frequency distribution. Draw OG curve. Draw OG curve. This is the question. Okay, right. Let me draw the table again. Here production yield. Production yield. Here number of farmers. Number of farmers. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. 60 to 65. 65 to 70. 70 to 75. 75 to 80. 75 to 80. Number of farmers. 2 here 8. 60 to 65 12. 65 to 70 24. 70 to 75 38. 60. So this is the question. Now I am converting this. This is the frequency. Only frequency. I am converting it into more than type. More than type. More than type cumulative frequency distribution. More than type cumulative frequency distribution. Table. I am forming new table which is called more than type cumulative distribution table. So here again production yield same. Production yield kg per hectare, and here more than type cumulative frequency. More than type. More than type cumulative frequency. Here we should take more than 100. Sorry. Here we should take lower limits. Okay. So 50 to 55 we are number of farmers. Production from 50 acres to 55 acres. 50 to 55 per acre. 50 to 55 kgs. 2 farmers are getting. 55 to 60 8 farmers. So I need more than 50. More than, here we are converting to more than, and for more than we need more than time we need lower limits. So more than 50. More than 50 means all are more than 50. This is 50 to 55 only, and this 55 to 60 means this is also more than 50. So by adding all this you will get cumulative frequency. 2 plus 8 10 30 30 what we got 30 plus, so total is 100. Total is 100. So cumulative frequency is 100. So 100 farmers are getting more than 50 kgs per hectare, right? So this is only 50 to 55 kgs per hectare. But here we are converting you more than 50. More than 50 means all intervals are more than 50. Next more than 55. More than 55 means 55 to 60 more than 55, 60 to 65 also more than 55 except to these two. Why? Because it is less than 55. So we need more than 55 means from this 100 we have to subtract 2. So 100 minus 2. That is 100 minus 2 is 98. 100 minus 2 is 98. Right? Next to more than. Come to this, more than 60. More than 60, these are all more than 60 except this. Right? More than 60 means we no need of this. So we have to subtract these two from 100. 8 plus 2, that means 100 minus 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. So you will get 90. That means you can subtract 98 from 98 this quantity, automatically you will get 10. Next to more than 65. More than 65 means from 90 we should subtract, we need all this, we no need of this. So from 90, by adding all this, we can subtract from 100. Instead of that, from 90 I am subtracting 12. From 90, if you subtract 12, 90 minus 12, 78. Similarly, more than 70. More than 70, from 78, I am subtracting the 20. Sorry, this is 24. I'm subtracting 24. You will get 54. Next, 75. From 54, I am subtracting 38. So you will get 60. Okay. So this is more than type cumulative frequency table. Now let me draw the figure. So on the x-axis, from 50, here you keep symbol like this, right? 50 to 55, 65, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 1 unit equal to x-axis. On x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, yes. 5 centimeters. On y-axis is equal to 100, no? So we should take 20, I think. 20 is better than to take. And 10 also you can take. So 1 unit equal to, I am taking 10 centimeters. Okay. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, write the scale again. Now I will represent for 50, 100. So here 1 point. For 55, 98. So just near 55 here 98. Just below the 100, 98. For 60, 90. For 60, 90. 90, 60. Here 1 point. For 65, 78. 78 means just below the 80. For 65, 78 here. For 70, 654. Just above the 50. Here I am taking 1 point. 75, 16. 75, 16 means below the 20. So by joining like this, you will get more than type curve. This is OG curve, more than type curve. More than type curve. Which is also called OG curve. OG curve. So in this way you have to draw.